Hi there and welcome. I just wanted to give you a brief video on how to electronically sign your documents and what to expect. So you will receive an email from loan documents at cmgfi.com. So keep a lookout for that. It will show you instructions, but I just go over this because I believe visually everybody learns better by seeing. So next you're going to enter last four digits of your social and your name. Click next. You're going to have an authentication text or phone call because we want to protect your identity and make sure that it's you. And then you enter that verification code. You're also going to view the agreement, which looks like this. And the reason we do that is just to make sure that you do consent to review items electronically. So you click accept, and then we're on to the review stage, and it's going to proceed you through the required documents as we go along. It will guide you through the documents, and then you start actually e-signing. So all you're doing is clicking on the yellow tab. It will insert your signature and guide you through the list of disclosures and check boxes as you go. And if there's boxes that you have to select, it will allow you to do so. And then you proceed on and you click submit when you're finished. It says to print or download a copy. Now, we do not need printed anything back from you. My recommendation is to keep a downloaded copy for your records. However, if you need them, I can always get copies for you. And once you're finished, click sign out and voila, you're all done. And as always, if you have questions, you can always reach out.